I really like the latest set of products that I've been using. The little quick background for the skincare. I'm 53, gonna be 54 in a couple of months. I never had Botox or fillers, so I really need products that are gonna work. This is ERASA XEP 30. Reduce deep frown and expression lines, refine skin texture, even skin tone, brighten dark age spots, boost firmness. It did win a Best of Beauty with Allure. This is Cellular Hydration Serum. This is concentrated serum with hexapeptide 9, and that repairs the skin barrier in just 30 minutes at the cellular level. That's almost empty. Loving that. Using that night and day I have been. This is their Cellular Hydration Barrier Repair Sleeping Mask. And then we have the Cellular Repair Barrier Cream Moisturizer. And again, this also repairs skin at the cellular level. I will see you in the next video. Till then, have a good one.